Did you know one man changed medicine forever while neighbors tried to burn down his house? Percy Julian was a brilliant black chemist who turned soybeans into life-saving drugs right from his basement laboratory. Even though he earned a PhD from Harvard and made incredible discoveries, major drug companies refused to hire him because of his race. So Julian started his own company in Chicago and got to work. He figured out how to make cortisone from soybeans, making arthritis treatment affordable for millions of people who were suffering. He also created hormones that would later help make birth control pills possible. But when Julian moved his family to a wealthy neighborhood, angry white neighbors actually tried to set his home on fire. They couldn't stand that a black man was living among them, even though he was saving lives every single day. Julian held over 130 patents and kept working despite constant death threats. His genius literally transformed modern medicine, proving that hatred could never stop true brilliance from changing the world.